What if I told you that the place on Earth where you can get closest to the moon isn't where you think it is, but a hidden giant that's been keeping a cosmic secret? This is Mount Chimborazo in Ecuador. What makes Chimborazo the closest point to the moon? Isn't Everest the tallest mountain? It's all about the Earth's shape. Our planet isn't a perfect sphere. It bulges at the equator and flattens at the poles. This bulge, called the equatorial radius, is caused by Earth's rotation. This means that points near the equator actually stick out further into space. And guess where Chimborazo is? Right on the equator. So when the moon is overhead, you'd be about 1.5 miles closer to it on Chimborazo's peak than if you were standing atop Everest. But Chimborazo's lunar connection doesn't stop there. It's not just the closest point to the moon, but also to the stars and even the sun when they're directly overhead. So next time you look up at the moon, remember that Mount Chimborazo is your ticket to the stars. It's Earth's hidden lunar viewing platform, known to climbers, scientists, and now you.